how to formulate, किस तरह बनाई जाती है. So it means the formulation of gelatin capsule includes different substances which promote the release of drug constituents from the hard gelatin capsule. These includes क्या होगा इसमें? We add our active ingredients, the active drug है वो, that is they have fillers, diluents, then glidants, then lubricants, then disintegrants, surfactants, hydrophilic agents, protectives, anti-dusting agents. So these has to be added while filling the capsules. So active ingredients, the amount of and type of active ingredients influence capsule size and the nature and amount to be used in the formulation. Active ingredients tends to make up to the high percentage of the content of a capsule as compared to tablets. So as compared to tablets, they have more active ingredients as compared to tablets. Smaller the size of active ingredients, larger will be the surface area of the active ingredients, hence greater will be the rate of dissolution of the active ingredients when you have the less amount of active ingredient encapsulated in the capsule. Granulation of the active ingredients in the case of hard gel capsule is carried out to increase the flow properties, increase drug dissolution. Then second is fillers, diluents. Fillers are used to increase the bulk of the formulation. The most common capsule diluents are starch, lactose, and dicalcium phosphate. These substances improve flow properties of compatibility. Glidants. Glidants are used to improve the fluidity of powders. Glidants includes the colloidal silica, cornstarch, talc, and magnesium stearate. They are fine particles that appears to coat the surface of the bulk powder and enhance fluidity by reducing roughness by filling surface irregularities, reducing attractive force by what? One, physically separating the host particles, modifying electrostatic charges, acting as moisture scavengers. Optimum concentration for flow is less than 1% and typically lies between 0.25 to 0.5%. Exceeding this concentration will result in no further improvement in flow. Lubricants. Capsule formulation usually requires lubricants to ease the ejection of plugs, to reduce filming on piston and adhesion of powder to metal surface, reduce the friction between sticking surface and contact with powder. Magnesium stearate and stearic acid are used as lubricants. Now, disintegrants. In capsule formulation, the substances which have superior swelling or moisture absorbing properties are generally used as disintegrants, such as called super disintegrants. Examples: croescamylose, sodium starch glycolate, and crosopovidone. Surfactants are used in capsules formulation to increase the wetting of the powder mass and enhance drug dissolution. Commonly used surfactants are sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium doxate. Surfactant is concentration range is 0.1 to 0.5% is usually used. Now, hydrophilic agents. Hydrophilic agents are used to improve the wettability of poorly soluble drug present in hard gelatin capsules. Both wettability of the drug and the rate of dissolution of hexabarbital from hard gelatin capsule could be enhanced if the drug is treated with methyl cellulose or hydroxy Ethyl cellulose means they are hydrophilic agents. Now, soft gelatin capsules made from a more flexible, plasticized gelatin film than hard gelatin capsules. Most capsules of either type is intended to be swallowed whole. Some soft gelatin capsules are intended for rectal or vaginal insertion as suppositories. Most capsules product manufactured today are of the hard gelatin capsule. On the basis of shape, content, and other features intended to make the taste of certain unpleasant tasting medication, they quickly gained popularity. Soft gel capsules are filled with solution or suspension of drug in liquid that will not solubilize the gelatin shell. They consist of single unit after sealing, available in root shapes that is round, oval, oblong, tubular. Plasticizers and preservatives are most accurate and precise of all solid oral dosage forms. More flexible plasticized gelatin film is there. You can see the shape of soft says special shapes, tubes, oblongs, ovals. These are different shapes of soft gelatin capsules. Now, composition of shell. The basic component of soft gelatin shell is gelatin. However, the shell has been plasticized. The ratio of dry plasticizers to dry gelatin determines the hardness of the shell and vary from zero point 0.3 to 1 for very hard shell to 1 to 1.8 for very soft shell. Up to 5% sugar may be included to give a chewable quality to the shell. The residual shell moisture contents of finished capsules will be in the range of 6 to 10%. Formulation. Formulation for soft capsules involved liquid materials generally formulated to produce the smallest possible capsule consistent with maximum stability, therapeutic effectiveness, and manufacture efficacy. The liquids are limited to those do not have adverse effect on gelatin balls. Emulsions cannot be filled because water will be released that will affect the shell. The pH of the liquid can be between 2.5 to 7.5. Capsule shell have gelatin, plasticizers, preservatives, colorants, specifiers, flavoring agents, sugars. Capsule contains liquid or a combination of miscible liquid, a solution of solid and liquid, or suspension of solid and liquid. Vehicle used in soft gel capsules are two main groups: one, water, immiscible volatile and non-volatile liquids as vegetable, aromatic oils, and mineral oil, aromatic and aliphatic hydrocarbons. Acetylated glycerin, esters, and organic acids are used for soft gelatin capsules. Second, water, miscible, non-volatile liquids as polyethylene glycol with low molecular weight, used more recently because of their ability to mix with water and accelerate dissolution of dissolved or suspended drugs. Non-ionic surface active agents, polysorbate 80 and propylene glycol are used. Now, difference or comparison, if you compare both hard capsule on one side, one a two-piece, large body and short capsule, while soft gelatin is a one-piece and hermetically sealed. Cylindrical shape, available in round, oval, tube-like shapes different. Three, powder drugs are or pellets coated with drugs are encapsulated. Liquid and semi-liquid fill and unstable substances are encapsulated. Gelatin in hard form is used. Molten gelatin are used. Capsule sealed after fill to ensure that medicament not come out of capsules due to rough handling. Filling and sealing of soft gel capsule are done in a combined operation on machine. 8 different type of size are available. No specific size are available. So further is method of filling the hard gel capsule, how they're filled. The capsule can be filled either by hand or by a semi-automatic device or by an automatic filling machine. Capsule machine, hand operated, it consists of one, a bed having 20 to 300 holes, second, a loading tray having 200 to 300 holes, a powder tray, a pin plate having 200 to 300 pins, a sealing plate having a rubber top, a lever, a cam handle. You can see here the capsule filling machine, which is hand operated. Manually, they can fill the capsules. Method filling soft gel capsule. Soft gel capsules are generally filled mechanically. The manufacturing of the capsule shell and the filling of the medicament take place simultaneously. Nowadays, a rotary machine is used for this purpose. In a rotary dye machine, the soft gel capsules are prepared and then filled immediately with the liquid medicaments. The machine consists of two hoppers. Liquid gel mixture is placed in one hopper and the liquid medicament in the other hopper. These are two rotating dies which rotate in opposite direction. You can see here the rotary machine. Different we have learned before that how to evaluation of capsules. The following test should be carried out for evaluation of capsules. Firstly, uniformity of weight, content of active ingredients in the capsules, disintegration test, dissolution test. Special application of capsules. One is enteric coated capsules, sustained release capsules, rectal capsules, capsules containing ophthalmic ointments, packaging and storage of capsules. Capsules should be packed in well-closed glass or plastic container and stored at a temperature not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. They should comply with such additional or storage requirements as are specified in the individual monograph given in the pharmacopoeia of USP, whatever it is. Capsule can be individually protected by enclosing them in a strip or blister packs. In strip packing, the capsule is hermetically sealed within the strips of an aluminum foil and or plastic film. The contents are removed from the strip packs by tearing or cutting to separate the capsules. In case of blister packs, a press on the blister forces the capsule through the packing strips. Generally, capsules have a longer shelf life in unopened glass bottles than in strip packs, but this is reversed once a bottle has been opened.